So this is the point, is that everything is eternal. So that Jiva Goswami's Tika, he says, what does Adi mean? Adi doesn't mean Krishna is the beginning and everything begins, all the avatars begin, he's the beginning of all the avatars. Adi means supreme. So for 42 years, I've been understanding and taught, I taught a whole CD on the Brahma Samhita. I taught to the VIHE long ago, 1990 or so. All the verses of Brahma Samhita, and tikas and explanations from different notes that I collected from different teachers. And we're always teaching that Krishna is the origin of Vishnu, and there's no origin of anybody. They're all eternal, and Krishna is supreme, because Krishna is supreme. Adi means Krishna is supreme, because in Tattva, Vishnu, Ram, Nrsimha, they're all one in Tattva, but the difference is in Ras. So Krishna is supreme, because not only is he Vishnu Tattva, but he is in supreme Ras. Madhurya Ras, Vishnu also has Madhurya Ras. He has a loving relationship with his wife, Lakshmi. But that's Swakiya, Swamai, Kiya, possession. She belongs to me. That's the extent. Ram, Ekpatni Brata, she belongs to me. Bas. But Krishna is more than that, because he's Parakiya Bhav. So therefore in the Ras Vichar, consideration of Ras, and all the different aspects of Krishna, that Krishna's Ras and Lila are so supreme. They're supreme in sweetness, supreme in intimacy, supreme in fulfillment. So therefore, Krishna is the supreme of all the supremes. But he's not the origin. Okay, that's the first point.